Hi there, my name is Nick and I'm here at Vaporleaf to show you the Aspire Cleito Pro tank. This tank holds 3 milliliters of liquid with the straight glass on it, or 4.2 milliliters with the included bubble glass. Aspire created 2 brand new coils to use in this tank, in addition to the original Cleito coils. To set this guy up, you're going to want to unscrew the base of the tank from the top, and unscrew the coil from the base of your tank as well. At this point, you'll want to choose which size glass you want to put on there and install that into the top. This will just push right on over that O-ring right there. Cool. Now that's done, we're going to take the coil, prime it, and install that back into the base. That just screws right in there. Now we can put the top of the tank back on and screw this piece together, and it's all ready to fill and use. To fill it, you're going to want to grip this top ring and just pull up. That piece comes off just like that, exposing this large fill port. Go ahead and fill your tank all the way to the top and replace that ring. If this tank sounds like it's for you, it's available for purchase on our website, www.vaporleaf.com, or in our store located in Lakewood, Colorado. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Thanks, and have a great day.